Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your LinkedIn application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, in order to download your LinkedIn application on your device, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in LinkedIn and make your search. You're going to see LinkedIn application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on the install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download a LinkedIn application on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries or feedback if you have any in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.